In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print chart of account QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have a clean, printable list of every account in your books, ready to share or file. Start by opening QuickBooks in your web browser and signing in to your company. From any screen, glance to the top right-hand side. You'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click that gear to open your options. In the menu that appears, look for the Your Company section. Under that section, choose Chart of Accounts. This takes you to the complete list of accounts your company uses, including assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. On the Chart of Accounts page, the full list will appear. Take a moment to scan the names, types, and detail types to make sure everything looks the way you expect. If your list is long, you can use the search bar on the page to spot check a few key accounts before you print. This quick review helps ensure your printout reflects the most accurate and up-to-date information in your file. Once you're done reviewing, you're ready to print. Look toward the top right side of this page, where QuickBooks provides report and print controls. You'll see a small printer icon. Click the printer icon to open your browser's print preview. In the print preview window, check the destination. Make sure the correct printer is selected if you're sending this straight to paper. If you prefer a digital copy for email or records, you can choose Save as PDF as the destination instead. This uses the same settings but creates a file you can store or share. Before you finalize, take a quick look at a few print options. If your list is wide and some columns look cut off, switch to landscape orientation or reduce the scale slightly so everything fits on the page. If you only need a portion of the list, set a page range. You can also choose color or black and white, depending on how you plan to use the printout. These adjustments live right in the print dialog and won't change anything inside QuickBooks. When everything looks good and the destination is correct, click Print. Your chart of accounts will print with the columns and formatting you previewed. That's it. You went to QuickBooks, opened the gear icon in the top right, selected Chart of Accounts under your company, reviewed the list, clicked the printer icon at the top right of the page, checked the destination, and printed. Follow these steps anytime you need a fresh copy for meetings, audits, or your records.